Hey everybody, this is Joey with Snow Technology Service. I'm going to make a video showing how to upgrade your computer's RAM, specifically a laptop. I have a laptop here. It's for a customer. It's got 16 gigabytes RAM. I'm going to upgrade this to 32 gigabytes of RAM. This is a refurbished HP. A RAM upgrade is pretty straightforward, an easier thing to do to your laptop. There's a couple things you do want to watch out for. You want to make sure that it has enough slots to accommodate the RAM. This one is 16 gigabytes. I'm going to take it to 32, or try to. We're going to have to get the case open and see how many slots it has to see if it can fit these two new RAM cards in it. Let's dig into it and see what we got. We are going to have to work from the back of it. Some laptops have easy access doors, so you can get right to the hard drive and RAM cards. This one does not. So we're going to have to dig into it. We're going to start by taking these screws out. Okay, it looks like these screws do not come all the way out. They're kind of pinned in there, which is fine. That's going to make it easy so we don't lose them. Now, how does this pop off? We get a spudger. Okay. Ooh, definitely had a good pop there. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Take that back cover off, and now we can look and see what we're dealing with here. Oh boy, so what do we have? Alright, well for right now, let's just get this battery out of the way. Get that unhooked and out of here. Okay, I've got the battery loose here. All right, now that we have the battery out, we need to remove the memory shield. All right, what is holding this memory shield on? It's just clipped in. Okay. There. There we go. All right, there is exactly what I was wanting to see. 2 RAM card slots. Fairly easy to get to. And ready to be replaced. So So to get the cards out, just undo these, move them to the side. And they pop right out. They pop up anyway. After that, let's work them out. There is the old RAM cards. Now we're going to swap out the new 32 gigabyte ones, and again we're going to keep it at a little bit of an angle, slide it in, and push it down until it snaps. There we go. All right, let's see if we got power. Now let's see if the battery's dead. There we go. Luckily the battery was just dead and the computer is booting up. Kind of had me worried there for a little bit, but we're good.